Have you ever wondered why so many Asian women have flawless, tight, glowing skin? Today I'm sharing the secret, an ancient Chinese rice mask that tightens your skin, brightens your complexion, and nourishes every cell naturally. The main ingredient is rice, but not just any rice. You need organic white rice, rich in antioxidants like ferulic acid and allantoin. Ferulic acid protects your skin from UV damage and reduces wrinkles. Allantoin soothes the skin and promotes new cell growth. This makes rice ideal for dry, aging, and sensitive skin. Is rice organic or non-organic? Yes. Organic rice, grown without the use of pesticides or chemical fertilizers. It is considered safer for the skin when used in masks, especially for sensitive skin. It is often more expensive. Non-organic rice, grown with pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. It may contain chemical residues, so it is best to wash and soak it thoroughly before cosmetic use. It can be organic basmati rice, if it says organic on the package and is certified by an official body. Non-organic, this is common in regular markets and supermarkets. How do you know the difference? Look for the organic, USDA, organic, or other local certification on the package. Organic rice is often more expensive, but not all expensive rice is organic. How long should I soak non-organic rice to make it suitable for the skin? Purification and soaking steps. Wash it very well. Wash the rice with cold water 3-4 times until the water becomes almost clear. This step removes dust, excess starch, and surface pesticides. Soaking. Soak it in clean filtered water for 30 minutes to an hour. This helps reduce any chemical residues and releases some beneficial elements from the rice into the water, especially if you will also use the rice water. You can boil it a little. Gently boiling the rice for a few minutes, and then using its water after it cools, is considered safer, especially for sensitive skin. The full mask recipe. Here's what you need. 2 tablespoons of cooked white rice. 1 tablespoon of milk. 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix until smooth. Application. Apply to clean face. Leave for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use 2-3 times a week. Let's break it down. 1. Cooked rice, base. It exfoliates gently, improves skin texture. It exfoliates gently, improves skin texture, and tightens sagging areas. It's perfect for lifting tired skin. 2. Milk. Raw milk contains lactic acid, which naturally peels. How to use it? Wash your face thoroughly. Apply the rice mask evenly using your fingers or a brush. Leave it for 15-20 minutes until it dries slightly. Rinse off with lukewarm water, then splash with cold water to tighten pores. Use this mask 2-3 times a week. You'll start noticing visible tightening and brightness within 10 days. Off dead skin cells and brightens dull skin. It also hydrates and lightens dark spots. Great for combination or dry skin types. 3. Honey. This is nature's best humectant. It draws moisture into your skin, fights acne-causing bacteria, and gives a lasting glow. Honey is especially helpful for oily or acne-prone skin. How to use it? Wash your face thoroughly. Apply the rice mask evenly using your fingers or a brush. Leave it for 15-20 minutes until it dries slightly. Rinse off with lukewarm water, then splash with cold water to tighten pores. Use this mask 2-3 times a week. You'll start noticing visible tightening and brightness within 10 days. Suitable skin types. Dry skin. Nourishes and deeply hydrates. Oily skin. Controls sebum and soothes inflammation. Sensitive skin. Reduces redness and calms irritation. Aging skin. Boosts collagen and reduces fine lines. Dull skin. Exfoliates and revives glow. Body use. Yes, this rice mask isn't just for your face. You can use it on your neck, hands, or even your elbows to reduce dark patches and signs of aging. Just double the ingredients for larger areas. This rice mask isn't just a trend, it's a time-tested beauty ritual. Try it once, and you'll see why generations of women have sworn by it. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty secrets, DIY skincare, and natural health tips.